Some parrots can talk like humans, but it's not because they have anything to do with us or our language. Here's why. Hi and welcome to my channel. There are over 300 species of parrot in the world today, ranging in size from the tiny pygmy parrot, which is about the size of a sparrow, to the massive hyacinth macaw, which can be more than 3 feet long. And while all parrots are great mimics, some can copy human speech so well that they can form full-on sentences. This ability has made them famous the world over, starring in movies like Rio and TV shows like Friends and Zoboomafoo. And if you've ever had the pleasure of meeting one, you might be wondering how they learned to do it. It turns out that their talent for mimicking human speech has nothing to do with human influence, and everything to do with their evolutionary history. You see, parrots evolved in the Lacustrine Islands of the Indian Ocean, an archipelago that sits about 600 miles off the coast of mainland Africa. These islands are home to around 136 species of bird, most of which are found nowhere else on Earth. And while they might seem like a great place for birds to hang out, they're actually kind of dangerous. You see, the Lacustrine Islands are also home to a large population of the white-throated and black-throated monitors, 2 species of lizard that are known for being pretty aggressive towards other animals, especially birds. And parrots spend a lot of time on the ground looking for food, so it's easy for these lizards to catch them and eat them. To defend themselves, parrots developed a warning call to alert others of the approaching danger. But there was a problem. The larger the group of parrots, the more difficult it was to coordinate their warning calls. That's because each parrot has to call out the alarm individually, which means that by the time the other parrots had finished calling, it might already be too late. But they managed to find a solution. Over millions of years. They began imitating each other's calls until eventually they were able to synchronize their warning cries. This ability to mimic other parrots proved useful for more than just avoiding being eaten. It also helped them find mates. Scientists aren't entirely sure how this worked, but they think that by copying the calls of other parrots, they were able to attract their attention and show off their own vocal abilities. Basically, it was like saying, "Hey, look at me, I can talk like you." But this behavior had an unexpected side effect. Because the Lacustrine Islands are home to many species of birds, parrots evolved to mimic the calls of other birds as well. And some of those birds are very good talkers, like the thick-billed parrot. When parrots copy the calls of these birds, they add a little twist to them, making them sound like this. And when thick-billed parrots hear this sound, they think that it's another thick-billed parrot trying to talk to them. So they try to reply, which results in something that sounds like this. And while scientists aren't sure exactly what this exchange means, it seems to be some kind of conversation. If that's true, then copying other birds' calls might have actually helped parrots evolve into better talkers too. Of course, no other bird does this, which makes parrots unique. But that doesn't mean that other animals can't talk. Check out this video to learn about the most chatty animal in the world. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and follow for more fun animal videos. And if you really want to dive into the science behind how animals talk, you can check out the references in the description. Until next time, I'll see you later.